Matariki is a cluster of stars and it heralds the new year. And there's a whole lot of festivities that take place. It's very significant this week. This Friday will be a public holiday to acknowledge Matariki, the Māori New Year. And for us on the first pō tangaroa here in Tāmaki to lead out the celebrations of Matariki, and the Umu Kohukohu Whetū here on our own whenua is wonderful.
We've basically been put as the hangi crew for the Umu Kohukohu Whetū. So that entails digging the hangi hole, sourcing the firewood, making sure that we've got all the stones and the irons ready for the hangi. We wanted to steam lots, as well as being the hangi crew. My crew's the Marakai team. So it's been about 2 months since we've actually pulled the kumara up from harvest. So they've been curing for the last 2 months. So yeah, everything that's going to be used in there, especially the tupu stock, it's all come from Pourewa. It's more meaningful for our whānau, for our people, knowing that it was grown on the whenua by our whānau, for our whānau. The kai that we're going to be putting into the Umu Kohukohu Whetū, it's a mix of 4 different types of kai. So kumara, which will be to tupuanoku. Next we have tupuarangi. That will be our hei, which is going to be our offering of a manu. Then we have waiti, which is our fresh water, and that's going to be tuna, which we'll have as that kai, and waita, we're going to have tāmure or red snapper as our offering. What really excites me is being able to show our next generation of tamariki and those that wouldn't have known about this, how important it is to give homage and pay respect to the atua, because it's something that it's been a guiding philosophy for us as Māori for hundreds of years.
As we know, Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei are the ahikāroa of Tāmaki Makaurau, and it was important for Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei to lead this kaupapa today, because we are the mana whenua, and we are here to support all of the whānau and all of the people here in Tāmaki Makaurau and lead them into the Māori New Year.
The umu is a hangi, but the kai is dedicated to formalities for ceremonies. The steam of the kai rises to whāngai hau, to feed the energy, the hau, the mauri of those 4 stars. Then there's a part there where we farewell all of our loved ones who have passed since the last rising of Matariki to now.
Tāhua tēnei ata, ko tai mai te tini me te mano. So it was such a beautiful morning with everyone arriving for the kaupapa. When I was having kōrero with some of my mates from Mahi and the city, they were just completely wowed, and the inclusiveness that we had, being able for them to have their loved ones in their heart as we're doing a poroporoaki, as we're farewelling our loved ones. It was little things like that which, those are the things that people generally remember, the moments that you can feel, the moments that you're a part of.
To come here at the Ōrākei Marae to celebrate Matariki, learn a lot about the Maori culture. Is just like such an energy that we can feel here in a sacred place, and with all these people. It's just unbelievably energy, just come. I don't know. It's amazing. It's amazing. Looking forward to many years to come and celebrate Matariki.
Absolutely beautiful, amazing experience. You've got this amazing view. You've got people from all over Aotearoa, non-Māori, Māori. It was such an amazing experience. Well done, well done. I will be back. It's so beautiful, just beautiful.
Ko tā whaki e